So hello crypto, this is Nunes in another update. So you guys, I warned you about this. I told you this is going to happen. So again, he's still getting. Why is it happening? Why is it happening, guys? Well, since a lot of people still don't understand what cryptocurrency really is, I heard there's a lot of good people out there who want to pay taxes. Don't you want to pay taxes? So you better declare some losses, don't you? Huh? Guys, you got to start to understand. You need to start to get into this cryptocurrency. It's a lot of food. It's a lot of, like I said before, a lot of fake news and a lot of truth. And, a lot of misunderstanding, again, what the cryptocurrency really is, what Bitcoin really is. And guys, look what happened, okay? Market just comes down, Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash dropping by 10% in less than a few seconds. So, guys, here's the thing, right? So, like I said, so a lot of people want to be the well-mannered, they just want to pay taxes so they can be left alone. But here's the thing, guys, you need to understand where you stand with cryptocurrencies and the government, okay? Now, I have been posting videos, I go back posting videos to warn you guys basically what's going on, because as you guys notice, I don't usually join the feud. I just do my thing, I upload a couple of videos, then I get into my own thing and disappear for a bit. But now you guys just trying to keep it a trend and show you guys, open your eyes, okay? Look at BitConnect, look what happened to BitConnect, look what happened to USA. And now look what happened to the government and this status claiming personality and approach in Binance. Binance, the Korean banks, guys, is all claiming of status that cryptocurrency was never meant to be part of, okay? Cryptocurrency is a people thing, okay? It's your thing. It's nothing, it's not to be, it's completely different thing. Is the idea is to stop, those leaders, those people who've been pretty much controlling our lives, how we live, how we spend, what we buy, what we don't buy, okay? So unless you guys start to understand that and see what position you are in cryptocurrency about, it's all about freedom, power to the people. If you don't understand that, if you don't get that, then when things like this happen, what we see, guys, as you can see right here at the bottom, panic sellers, okay? So we have here is panic sellers, people who get somebody call, somebody on the phone, hey, he's dropping, take it out, cash out. Guys, listen, this is exactly what we need to happen. This is exactly what the market wants you to do. This is what the traders need you to do. We need you to drop those bags, open them up. Either you're taking out of a loss, or you're taking out of a win, just run, take it out. That's exactly what needs to happen so the market can start to recover, okay, and consolidate, and then get moving forwards again in new money and people buying again. Okay, so it's understanding this. Now, this is gonna go on until Wednesday, guys. Okay, so tomorrow night from Tuesday to Wednesday, that's when we're gonna start to see some risings. But again, remember, this is a tax return, and since there is also so many people well-mannered who want to pay taxes, then obviously you're gonna have to have some losses, right? So, the market will continue to do this. We're going to see this going, like I said, from Tuesday to Wednesday. We're going to see some rising. Today, you're going to see some, probably back up again at 5%, and see how people react, how the market starts to move. If it doesn't, then my guess is by Friday, we're going to see potentially another red blood spell everywhere. Okay, that said, guys, okay, if you guys follow it, what I share in the private groups. If you want to join our private group, check the links below this video, come and join us as a group. We will upload some more videos there just for the group and show you guys how you can still profit in a downturn market. So in fact, you can actually make more money during this downturn market because you've taken advantage of what happened in the market. So if people are panic selling, jumping off, out of fear, then you'll learn. All you need to do is learn that technique, how to get coins on a ship, okay, and then sell it on high profit. It's very easy to do. But guys, so well-mannered people, you want to pay taxes because you want to leave them alone. So this is what happened. This is the market showing you that, the media doesn't control us, the cryptocurrency, okay? Media can control the cryptocurrency. No one can control cryptocurrency, guys, okay? Price manipulation, whatever people want to call it. Of course, there is going to be manipulation. Always going to be manipulation. Every trader can manipulate the market based on the funds that he has disposable at this demand. So, you know, guys, this is how it works. This is cryptocurrency. It's a new economy, completely different from what you used to, okay? So, guys, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Come and join us on our private group. The links are below the video. And like and share. So remember to click the like button if you want to see more videos and more tips like this one. So for those of you who are first-time watchers, you definitely want to subscribe. So once again, I'm Nunes from Wealth Express. Please comment and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.